Hi everyone, this is Arif and I hope everyone is fine during this COVID-19 pandemic. Stay home, stay safe and subscribe my channel. Today I'll teach you how to talk about obligation or necessity in English. We have certain auxiliary verbs and expressions which express our obligation or necessity. So watch this video completely and let's start. To talk about activities that are obligatory, necessary or mandatory, I have arranged the auxiliary verbs and some expressions into three groups. In that group we have should, had better, ought to, be supposed to. In this group we have have to and has to, while in this one we have must. Must is an auxiliary verb, okay? Now I have arranged them according to their intensity. Now, what I mean by intensity is that if you have no option, means it's like a do or die situation, we have to use must. Okay. Now, have to or has to, they are a bit weaker than must. Weaker in sense of intensity or urgency. Okay. While have to and has to are a bit stronger than those four. It means that should, had better, ought to and be supposed to are used for mild obligation, okay, which if you don't do cannot create problems for you. This one can create problems for you and this one definitely create problem for you. Now be means is, am, are in the present and future, while was, were in the past. Okay. The negative form of have to is don't have to, and the negative form of has to is does not or doesn't have to, because have to is used with plural subjects and has to is used with singular subjects, while must, should, had better and ought to can be used with all subjects, whether they are singular or plural. Let's have some examples. Here are the examples with those auxiliary verbs and expressions. Number one, he must come. If he does not come, it will create a problem for him. He must not come. And if he comes, it will create a problem for him. Now it shows strong obligation or necessity. Number two, she has to invite Ali. Negative, she doesn't have to invite Ali. Now has to will change to have to because we have auxiliary verb here, does. And the subject is singular. Number three, we should help them. And if we don't help them, no problem. We should not help them, but if we help them, no problem. If you have any kind of questions, you can ask me in the comment section. Thank you.